Hello Ugandans, let me introduce you the best crypto P2P exchange platform in town, and this is completely new, so just know you are one of the first people who are hearing about it or even who are seeing it. And guess what, you're going to be one of the first people to use it in town. Just imagine like using Binance in the year 2017-18. This is the thing. So let's get into this platform. I want to show you. So what this platform is going to do, it's going to solve almost all the problems you have been facing in the P2P platform. This is the platform that is going to solve that. But before I start showing you how to use it and also testing it for you, I love how seamless it is. I love how very smooth it is. But this is the thing you're first going to do for me, because this platform is a new platform. It doesn't have an app yet. So this is how you're going to do. You're going to click onto this three side balls here that are on your screen, this above your screen here, just beside your Chrome. When you open this link, I'm going to give you the link in the description. Definitely you open the link. When you open the link, you're going to click on these three things. When you have finished everything, I want you to scroll down here and add it to your home page. Click on add to home page. Now when you click on add to home page, it's going to look like this. I see here this Chrome where Ellyx. So welcome to Ellyx. I'm going to click on it and it's going to open for me. It is very fast, seamless, and it's going to help us so much. So when I click on exchange, you can see here is where you are going to be seeing different offers that you are going to, the buy offers, the sell offers, Ugandan shillings, they are going to be listed over here. So here is where you're going to see all of them. But for now, what I'm going to be doing is just simple. What I'm going to show you is that you can withdraw money from this platform anyhow. Now I'm going to be showing you in coming videos how you are going to use the P2P platform itself, but definitely since this is the first video, let's see how fast can you withdraw using the on-chain platform from this platform. So I'm going to make some withdrawal. When I come to home page here, when I come to my wallet and click withdraw, when I click withdraw, I need to put in my amount I want to withdraw. I want to withdraw like 100, and let me withdraw like 120 or 100. Let me withdraw 115. I don't know, let me just put 120. So this is what I'm going to withdraw, and it's right now we are having a Tron, that is the TRC20 network only, but the BEP20 is coming. I know like most of you guys love BEP20. It is coming definitely. So right now I'm going to use TRC20. So if I want to withdraw on chain, remember we have withdrawing for 2P2P, but our video, I'm just showing you how you can withdraw using the on-chain. So you can put the amount here that you want to withdraw, then you need to come to your Binance account or any wallet that you want. So I'm going to use in this case, let me use a Binance account. Let me come to Binance. So I'm going to come to my Binance account and click on add funds. I'm going to click on add funds because I want to transfer, show you, and then I'm going to use on chain. I'm going to add transfer using crypto, that is on chain. I'm going to pick USDT here. When I pick USDT, now it is telling me to choose the network. Remember, because in our platform we only have, in Ellyx platform we only have TRC20, so you should choose TRC20. Otherwise BEP20 is also coming in a few months from now. So I'm going to change this and choose TRC20. It's going to give you this code of TRC20. You see how it looks. It starts with T. Please, TRC20 starts with T. Then you click on copy here. That is your address that you have copied. Then you come to your exchange here, and then you are going to click on continue and click on continue. When I click on continue, do you want to see Ellyx want to see text and images copied? Yes, you allow, because yeah, it helps you to not to stress yourself. So I paste there, I paste my address and I click on continue. When I click on continue, it's going to tell me that yeah, you are going to have, this is the Tron network, this is the wallet you're using. I'm going to receive this amount of money, and this is going to be the platform fee. Now the platform fee for now, it is like that just because of this transaction I'm going to make, but you guys are going to have very friendly withdrawal fee, and you guys are going to have reduced withdrawal fee. Why? Because the platform is going to introduce BEP20 and is going to cut the fees to almost zero. So that's why I'm saying that all the problems that you guys have been facing in exchanging crypto in the country are getting done. Ellyx is coming to solve them. So I click on continue. When I click on continue, it is going to send that I need to confirm, is this my account? They are going to send for me an email. So I going to open up my email. So get to my Gmail. When I get to my Gmail, it's going to show me something here. Show me my something. So this is the confirmation, withdrawal confirmation. I'm going to copy this, and when I copy this, I'm going to take it back to Ellyx. Oh my god, I love how smooth this platform is. We are going to really enjoy this platform. So paste in and then click on confirm. When I click on confirm, let's see how long does it take to confirm. Your money is on the way. Like guys, it is seamless. It is seamless. You are going to check the description below, and when you check the description below, you are going to do what? To subscribe, get your account, and verify your account. Now I'll maybe in other videos that I'll be guiding you step by step. If you want guidance step by step, it is also okay. Their support is like 24/7. That's what I like with them. Even if at night, make sure if you have any problem, you just reach out to them. So you will receive this amount. I'll receive 120. So it is already in the system. Now this you can also, I want to test also. I'm going to also make a withdrawal. I'm going to make a video of depositing on this platform. Right now I'm making a withdrawal of withdrawing. I'm making a transaction of withdrawing, but you can see that already the money has left the account. You can see the money has left the account already. We had 120. We now have 25. We had 150. We now have 25. So you can see how seamless it has left the account. But you guys can see, are you really seeing, you guys seeing offers already being made? So you guys have seen a notification from Binance. You can see here. I actually delayed to open up. This is the notification. You have successfully received. I have successfully withdrawn. I actually thought that I would wait for 7 minutes, but he has done 7 minutes ago, so it was less than a minute. This is the money that I've received. It is completed right now, and I've done a successful withdrawal. So that's how you withdraw using on-chain. When I come, I've just received the money. This is successful deposit from Binance, as you can see it over here. So yeah, that is it guys. I think you guys can now see that also here the money has reduced. So I'm going to be showing you in other videos how you can do P2P transactions with it, but definitely this has been about withdrawal, to show you that withdrawal are seamless with this platform and introducing the platform to you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ellyx, our #1 crypto P2P exchange platform. See you in the next video.